Hello everyone, this is G-Shock High Fashion Channel and welcome to another G-Vlog. As always, today I'm gonna disassemble this G-Shock watch. The reference number for this is the GL-160. It operates on Casio 2463 engine, made in Thailand, water resistant to also 20 bar. And as you guys can see, the watch aren't lighting up. That's because the battery is running low, at least. Well, that's what I expected. So now I'm gonna need to fully disassemble this, swap the battery, and hoping it will get back to work. And while I'm doing that, as always, I'm gonna see and share to all of you guys how this watch was built into the way it is. Because if you look at the watch from the outside, it looks pretty simple, right? But what makes this watch special compared to other model on the market is that this guy featured a duplex type of display. And what that means is that this guy, the display panel of the watch, consists of two layers, one at the back and one at the front, and both of them will light on depending on which mode that you are operating the watch, and that is really interesting. If you'd like to learn more, you should check the unboxing or review video, but for now we're just gonna have a look at the inside because I filmed this video before I made the unboxing and review video, by the way guys. I already removed all this screw that's holding it into place and everything that's holding the watch band as well. So the watch band somehow still locked in here. I'm certain it's because of this bezel is holding it into place. So I'm going to need to remove this part first, pull it out like so, which made in purple colorway, which is really unique. I couldn't recall when is the last time I get a G-Shock that came in purple like this. It's been a while. Anyway, well, it seems like we have another screw that's holding it into place. So apparently there's one more screw that is in black colorway that I didn't notice, which is locking the watch band from the side, from the bottom and from this side as well. So I'm guessing this watch didn't have any spring bar to lock the watch band, so they just lock with a screw, a tiny screw in black colorway as well, and this should do it, right? Let me try to pull it out again, like so, and that will at the same time remove this side cover as well, which is clipped to the watch band like so. This is really interesting. I do not know what this white dust thingy is, but it's pretty annoying to see, so I'm gonna need to clean this watch band as well after this. Look at the shape of this, man. So many incredible details, well thought out. One to lock the bezel, one to lock with the screw, and another one to lock with the screw, and these two to lock with the hard case. This thing definitely not gonna come out anytime soon. I believe I already at the same time removed the backplate screw as well. So there is 6 screws to hold the backplate into place, which is really unique. And this is the interior AB42. This is probably from the cushioning points for the shock absorbing structure, which is over here. Turns out. Let me put this thing out. Very much simple. And there's the spring for the piezoelectric speaker. And seems like the engine was clipped into the hard case. So let me remove this now. I think I just removed the battery compartment like so. Well, the circuit board looks very incredible as well. And this is it. We're gonna have a look at where's the writing. It should be down here. Somewhere there. There it is. Casio Thailand sign below it. Alright, it operates on CR2016 battery, so I have this laying around. I'm gonna need to replace this. And this is the circuit board for the watch. Oops, there it is. Here it is. This is the circuit board as far as the back. 6897 code down there. Looking really gorgeous, almost like brand new despite being really old. The processing unit will be in the middle there. Really nicely done. I really appreciate the team who created this, man. Very nice. So this is the piezoelectric speaker spring just now. And this is the display panel, the first one that I could see. Looking pretty normal, glass back. So look at it up close. Nice. Seems like there aren't any polarizer sitting at the front as usual, which is pretty unique. And this is the place for the EL. Really large electroluminescent sheets and a place to add in any logo if they wanted to on here. Pretty cool, really cool. Alright, those are the springs to connect to the circuit board to power up this EL sheets, and this is the EL or LCD panel compartment. And now this is the hard case. Seems like there's one more display at the front. I really want to find out how it looks like though. Apparently this part is another display panel. Check this one out, guys. Look at that, it has some sort of purple filter on it. So this one goes at the back like so, and this one goes at the front. If you look at it at certain angles like so, you're gonna see there's some path for the display panel as well. Look at it. And this is the connector for this display panel. I think I could remove this one as well though. Alright, this is the compartment basically in clear plastic. Checks out. Very cool. Right, this is another layer of the display panel. So this is incredible. Instead of two connectors for one display, they use one for one. So that is interesting. No wonder this watch could have two display panels. Just use this to light up everything and this to light up this part of the watch. Alright, now I fully understand it now. Really incredible design. Really impressive. Just great. Right, what else we have in here? Pretty sure I could remove this metal part already, right? Yeah, with double-sided tape. Pretty cool, solid metal. And we have more ring around here. I'm not sure what this is for, but we have a spring. I don't know why, but this part gonna connect to this metal part. For some reason, to earth probably, I'm not sure. And we have more metal ring around here. I believe to guard this mineral glass of the watch. Feels very lightweight, solid. And the button's still working fine for me. Everything is just great. I hope you guys learned a thing or two about the watch, especially this part, the duplex display panel on a G-Shock. This is how it works. Two connector, one for one display glass, which one is transparent, one is in solid or blank over this layer of glass sheet. I don't know what they call this. This clear display also reminds me of the one on the Origin Go model, so that's pretty interesting, right? So that's how they are able to make this. And if on a second, they have some sort of sheets at the front here. I believe this is the polarizer. I'm not sure if it's just me or what. If I look at this display from an angle though, the front part looks like came in blue. If you look at this side here, look at the edge, it came in blue. If you look at the edge down here, it looks like it came in red. So they're combining two polarizer, one in red and one in blue, and hence making this display looks like a purplish tone to it. It's pretty nice combination, so really appreciate this. Very awesome. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. This is G-Shock High Fashion channel, and I'm